Yes, Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood and No Talking Tom Hero Dash.
No Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood and yes Talking Tom Hero Dash. Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood is the worst animated musical television series aimed at preschool children as it is subjective and depends on individual preferences and priorities. As the series debuted on September 3, 2012 on PBS Kids, and its content follows a curriculum based on Fred Rogers' teaching and new research into child development. And Talking Tom Hero Dash is a free endless runner game developed by Outfit 7, where players join Talking Tom and his friends, who have transformed into superheroes, to save the city from the raccoons. Rescue and play as other Talking Tom and Friends characters, unlock unique superhero outfits, and restore the city by defeating the raccoons.
That's it. You're extremely grounded for a week for saying that.
Just go to your room right now.
Well,